Let's do some reflections. First step is always to put in your line of reflection. So use a straight edge at the edge of a book or the edge of a pencil. I'm going to use my line maker and put in my line of reflection. X equals 2. This is where you need to know that x equals 2 is a vertical line through 2 on the x-axis. Just to make it easier to see, I'm going to change the color here. All right, so that blue line is my line of reflection. Now, let's start putting our reflected points on the graph. Starting with S, so here's the original. S is 2 units from the line of reflection. So let's go on the other side, 2 more units. Here's where S prime is going to be. T is 1 unit from the line of reflection. So go the other direction, and that's where T prime needs to be. So this reflected shape is going to be kind of on top of itself. Let's connect the S and the T just so we can kind of see what's happening. For the R, let's do the same thing. R is 1 unit from the line of reflection. So go to the other side by 1 unit. There is your R prime. We can do then a connection here with the S. Now U is interesting. U is on the line of reflection. So it's 0 units away, meaning when you flip it over, it doesn't move. Any point that's on the line of reflection stays on the line of reflection. So if we then connect and connect, in red is the reflected shape. Now you may need to look carefully. It gets confusing when they overlap each other, but it's the same shape, the same size, just flipped sideways. Let's come over here and take a look at this next one. Line of reflection is at y equals -1. It's up to us to know. Y equals a number is a horizontal line, in this case at a height of -1. Once again, I'm going to change the color to make it easier to see what we're talking about. So that's my mirror. Now, let's start reflecting our points. Starting with W. W is 1 unit from the line of reflection, so keep going the other direction. There's W prime. V is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So keep going to the other direction, 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. There is your V prime. T is 1, 2 units away. So 2 units away on the other side is where we get T prime. And then U is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. So keep going on the other side of the line, 1, 2, 3, and 4 units away. There is your U prime. Connect them. And what we should see is that same kite style shape flipped upside down. And there you go. That's how you do your horizontal vertical reflections. Put your line in and then reflect your points across. Make sure that you label them when you're writing them on your paper.